taking his time and getting the ball back into play. Elvis Chipazeze, the captain of the Magesi side, and what a legend he's turned out to. A corning knockout, he's been absolutely superb. Won a couple of Player of the Match accolades, along with the $100,000 that went with it. Good ball into the area,
Oh!
at the near post.
Oh my God!
Kimba
there.
What's
a pretty thing
Against the wall. They
have to do something. They have to do what they do. And look at that man, Wonder Boy. He goes and lines himself up in anticipation of something about to happen. He gets a good delivery. He gets it on target in terms of the header. No chance for that Sundowns defense. Lisekazini. So it's a great header onto the near post.
Do it for the Buccaneers.
That's
Do it for the Pirates.
Would be bottom. Richards Bay FC in the playoffs. And Magesi, with a -8 goal difference, would be in 14th position. Fourth time as a substitute. It's quite irregular in the starting lineup. Rainers, Kakora, point. Nothing wrong with the challenge, says Mr. Umkina.
Now he is playing as a fullback.
Well, that could be almost an own goal.
Hey,
It's a great recovery, that ball. All in double figures already before the match even got underway. Hold on to the ball.
Oh,
beautifully.
man.
Ribeiro can't find Peter Shalom with Charambadare on the 30th of October.
This boy.
They really are playing rather nicely. Peter Shalolile, Marcelo Allende. Now Mokoena can shoot from this sort of distance.
Replaced you with talent and matter.
To try and get back on level terms. Sundowns have to absolutely believe in themselves. Here's once again, it's a lovely ball. Marcelo Allende. Plenty to offer in the game of football. Lovely work done by Mkulise as well. He's a decent crossing, doesn't get a decent crossing. More numbers inside the penalty area. It's a little bit of a dummy though. Marcelo Allende, Marcelo. Little dummy from Mokoena. The header from Kosa. Group B with Asfar and qualifying for the quarter-final and the knockout stage once again. All the ball ends. Having to work a little harder than I think they wanted to. Rainers. Still Rainers. Didn't quite work for Costa, did it?
Good control. And then he goes for glory.
Scored against Supersport United, the Cameroonian. Delano Abrahams, the pace that he shows. Lovely defending. See, down to 10. Another mistake, Mark Gleeson.
He's long, he's not long at all.
Happy birthday for yesterday, and hope you had a happy
See why he has to
Two
players did not get it right. He didn't want to pressurize it.
heard the interview from Carroll that he is up to the big time. Or the big Peter Shalolile on his bicycle very quickly inside to Mkulise. Abraham's trying to scramble it away. It's a nice pickup from Elvis Reina. I thought he was going to take a shot from that sort of situation. It didn't cost her, but slow off the mark. Little ball through to Ikram Reyners, but he's been turned around rather nicely. The ball by Chipazeze, no damage. They're lining up maybe to have a crack at the goal. Yeah, Marcelo Allende. Gap closed down quickly. Mkulise.
Chipazeze.
Ladies and gentlemen, try and hustle Magesi a bit more than they did during the first half. Quite fascinatingly, both sides with only 2 shots on target. 6th appearance of the season. They're desperate to get on the score sheet here. Still an opportunity. Post Peter Shalolile was waiting. It's a good pull back to Matthews. Can't pull the trigger. Can Allende?
He knew who was coming behind him.
Free kick taken quickly. Freddy Vandana.
He's enjoying himself. They're making good runs. And I'm worried.
That's such
many times champions.
Oh!
Nice work done by Divine Lunga. Tries to stay on his. No time to rest on the laurels. Earned.
My shot
There
no
we go.
good.
Oh, also no goal. From Kosa, he's ready.
I will defend.
Magesi FC
Ah,
attacking with pace. Attacking.
Yeah, no, man.
Opportunity for Magesi. Kept in play by Lunga as well. Marcelo Allende.
Cheap as that's a caution, boy.
Magesi player that's down on the park at the moment. That should be easy for Chippy. In the Premier League, Sales bottled up. Well, that's not the case. The chance for Ribeiro Costa. Has killed only one goal. Kenny Rodham offside. Matches for Magesi. 18 more matches for Mamelodi Sundowns and still the quarterfinals
Keep on it, man.
of the Champions League.
No!
It's a great shot.
Yo!
no time for Chippers, is it? That's more like a sniper's moment. Ball pin into the box, not cleared convincingly. It comes back. Look at that. Well taken. The second hit in Panama. Look at that. Bounces. Half volley. On pass.
What's a good shot?
A great shot. Big soccer.
Ball came back inside where Divine Lunga was in lots of space. He's still in lots of space. Brought you World of Champions. Also your social media pages, no doubt. That's a really, really
Advantage!
Premiership encounter. They really will be able to hold their heads up rather high, I fancy. Sales with a little run. He's a tall man, so is he. Allende does the dummy run. Mokoena. Ribeiro. Bit of defending done by.
Yo!
Assistant referee on the near side.
Let's have a look at this. Was there an offside? So far, no. Is there an offside? Still? So far, no. Is there an offside still?
No chance. Post Ribeiro. Count as he did with that marvellous shot. Sales gets there first.
Defenders. Kept his eyes on the ball. Sales up against the pole. He made the contact. Sales there.
That was a ball. Headed away by Kosa in front of Wonderboy Makubu, but this is a. Kosa to Ribeiro. Allende, Ribeiro. Sales! I thought he was going to pull the trigger.
Oh! Martinez!
Even excuses.
Was it a deflection?
I think let's have a look at it once more. I think it does take a bit of a deflection. Have a look at this angle. Yeah, it does.
Can also hit of Abraham.
He gets it right. There will be massive marks in terms of the goalkeeping. Nothing wrong.
Another opportunity for Matthews. He's Here in the old Peter Macabre Stadium in the Nedbank Cup, Mamelodi Sundowns will be at home. Oh, there's a little bit of argy-bargy. Darpo changing punches, and tell you what, Lunga dealt out a very nice straight right there, but it's not what you want to see on the football field. And I think Divine Lunga's off as well. Well, that's unfortunate. It's been a better match than to end in this fashion. Lunga's still protesting his innocence, but he's got to go. We'll miss the next couple of matches. We were just talking about Mamelodi Sundowns match on Saturday.